Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long minute.
Turn me on, YC.
Today's video is actually going to be something different that something I haven't done on my channel at all, and it's going to be a vlog. But this vlog is not going to be like a day in my life vlog or anything like that. It's just going to be like a decoration vlog, like a room decor vlog or something like that, like shop with me, something like that. I don't know. This is the only free wall I have in this room, and of course I feel like it looks bland, so I want to kind of decorate it and give it a vibe, so that way when I'm getting dressed and everything, you know, the mood is set and everything like that. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing this LV wall that is inspired by this girl on YouTube. Her name is Pisces Finest. I'll link her video down in the description. But what she did was she went to the fabric store, got holographic material, and traced the emblems out and put them on the wall. So I have been inspired by that. So that's what we're going to be doing. I don't know if I'm going to go to fabric stores because I've been ripping and running, so I'm tired. I don't want to drive all the way to BFE because I don't even know where fabric stores around me would be. I live in the Houston area, so yeah, if you live in Houston, you know everything can be far out. So yeah, I'm not trying to drive that far, so I'm about to go ahead and head out to Walmart. And like I said, either I'll vlog in the store or I'll vlog when I'm in the car on the way. I'm a little all over the place today, but we're about to get our life all the way together. Okay, so as y'all saw in the clip I just posted, I found a bunch of Cricut paper, which is like basically vinyl peel and stick. So this is gonna be perfect because Cricut paper cuts these into shapes. I'm sorry, the Cricut cuts this paper into shapes, so I can just cut it myself. That's not an issue. So I found two different colors as y'all saw, but I realized one is just a straight up blue color, and the other one has like a sampler. It's called the Miami sampler with blue, pink, and yellow. So this is the one I'm gonna get. Sorry if I keep snatching the camera down. I'm vlogging and it's very weird, but I'm actually very happy that I found this here because I didn't want to have to go all over the place. So this should be good. It has 3 sheets of 12 by 24. That might be an issue. So depending on what happens, I may just go to the other Walmart on the other side of town, get another one because it's the last one, and we will get started. I'm back in the car after kind of running to a few different places. I'll go over that when I get home and kind of show y'all what I got. You know, when you're shopping and doing things like this, your creative juices just flow, and then you end up like coming up with these ideas. So I got a lot of stuff from a lot of different places, but right now I'm leaving Hobby Lobby. I kind of wanted to just talk to you guys because like I said, it has been a long minute since I've been on YouTube. I just want to say I'm so excited to like get back in the swing of things. I'm excited to be trying new content, i.e. vlogging. Let me put some Carmex on because my lips are dry. With new things going on in my life, I have more things to show y'all, you know what I mean? I have more content to put out. I have more like ideas in my mind to do with the things that I'm doing in my life, and that was a major thing with YouTube. I just felt like with me wanting to target the makeup audience and like the beauty audience, I felt like I was gonna end up running out of content. But now I've gotten my head on straight, and I realized like a lot of people on YouTube, they want to just, I don't know how to explain, like I'm the type of YouTuber, like I don't care if you're just vlogging you going to the grocery store. Like if I like you, I want to watch you, you know what I mean? So I've decided that I'm gonna stop trying to be so, I was gonna say uptight, but I'm not even being uptight. It's just I don't want to be so like, and hi guys, so today what we're gonna do, you know what I mean? Like I want to be me. I want y'all to see like my personality and get to know me. And this is messing me up, but yeah, I'm just really excited to get back to filming and like editing because I really do enjoy editing. It's so fun. Like it's tedious, I will say that, but if you've ever edited any kind of video or like a YouTube video and put it up and then seen the way that people react, you know how that feels. It feels good. Like it makes you want to do it again. So I'm excited to get like that. Also, excuse my appearance. This is what I look like 95% of the time. Like not even 95, I'm gonna say 98% of the time, and then the other 2% is the one that I post on Instagram and everywhere else. And I'm glad y'all can't see my lower half because I don't match. I mean, I match, but I have on blue and black. So like, I'm just gonna go home. I really want to stop and get something to eat because I'm starving, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna go ahead and go home and make myself something to eat. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. I'm not gonna show you what I'm eating. I'm not even gonna go through the process of doing all of that. I'm literally just on here to show y'all what I'm about to do with this wall. You know, decor just really makes a room. A room is only a room until you put some decorations in it. Then it's a whatever, you know what I mean? Then it's a beauty room or your bedroom or whatever, you know? This is definitely going to be the eye catcher, like the standout of the room. So once I put this up, I can kind of go ahead and visualize how else I want everything to be, you know what I mean? Because it's kind of hard deciding how you want to put your furniture in a room when you know you want to put stuff up on the wall, but you don't have said stuff to put up on the wall, so it's very hard. I love being in like areas that make me feel good, especially if you're getting pretty and you feel good in the area that you're getting pretty in. Love that. You girls know. Y'all know how that is when you're like trying to get cute, trying to be pretty, and the whole vibe is off. You just don't feel good. And you know, when you don't feel good, you don't feel like you look good. We need to always feel like we look good, because why? We do look good, sis. Always. And that's on what? Period. That's that on that on that. Let me calm down. But okay, so like I said, I'm just going home. Once I get there, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I really didn't get a lot, but I still spent a lot, which is crazy. I'm gonna tell you guys what my idea is. Hopefully this goes straight. I don't know, I'll come back to y'all when I get home. Okay, so I'm just now getting back home, and I'm about to show you guys what I got from Walmart and Hobby Lobby. I don't know if I mentioned that I went to Hobby Lobby, but I did, and I'm gonna show you guys why. So like I said, I did go to Hobby Lobby and Walmart. Reason being is because I found some Cricut paper at Walmart, but they only had one of these. It's not enough, I don't think it's gonna be enough for that walk that I showed y'all earlier. So I went to Hobby Lobby because it's Hobby Lobby, and of course I found more Cricut paper, and this time I got it in the mermaid sampler, which looks to have like pinks and greens and things like that. So I just got something different, so that way it can kind of like, you know, bounce off of each other. Then I just got some double-sided tape, so that way I don't mess my walls up trying to do this. And then from both Walmart and Hobby Lobby, I got poster board, because I decided that I kind of want to mix in like the holographic with plain paper, just because I feel like it'll give the wall a lot more dimension and make it look a lot cooler. Where the hard part comes in is, not only do I not have a projector, but I kind of want to do like the dripping LV that I mentioned earlier. Sorry, there was a bug flying outside my window and I thought it was inside. Anyway, I don't know if I want to do the dripping LV or the regular LV, and I'm still trying to decide a little bit. So what I'm going to do, like I said, I saw this from Pisces Finest. So since she didn't have a projector, what she did was she just printed off big pieces of the LV individually and then traced them onto the cardboard and the fabric that she had, and then she cut it out and put it on the wall. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. But once I have everything printed out and I have it kind of ready to go, I'll show you like the tracing process, and then we'll go from there. So what I did was I went ahead and printed the little LV logos. I don't even know what they're called, but you know, the logos for the LV. Okay guys, so it is about a week later since we first started this whole thing, and I haven't done anything since that. So we're gonna go ahead and pick up where we left off. I believe the last thing I said was that I was gonna go ahead and like make a guide for myself. So I printed off the LV logos, or the actual, you know, the emblems and everything like that. But at that time I printed them huge, and I came back to it and was like trying to just make sure I had everything together, and they were way too big. So I reprinted them. So whatever you saw in the last clip, make it smaller. Just do that, make it smaller, make it easier for yourself. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get to doing it. Don't talk about it, be about it. Here I was just showing you what I thought you needed, which was the cardboard, a blade, and the emblems that you printed off. But this, as you can see here, this proved to be a real struggle. Like I was getting a real arm workout in. So what I did was I switched to drawing the emblem straight, or tracing the emblem straight onto the Cricut paper. Now here I should have been doing it on the white side or smooth side, because on the shiny side it began to smear and run as I was putting them on my wall. So do as I say and not as I do, and please trace it onto the actual paper backing of this paper, the Cricut paper, because otherwise you're gonna just have a mess on your hands. As you can see here, I did get it together and I started drawing it on the correct side, but those couple that were on the shiny side, like I said, I had an issue with them later. So just make your life easier and just draw it on the paper side. So something that will make this 10 times easier, and you could probably get it done in a third of the time, is if you have an actual Cricut. I did not at the time that I was filming this video, hence the reason I'm hand cutting everything. But now I do have a Cricut, so if I were to ever revisit this, I would definitely show you guys how I do it now with a Cricut machine. Okay, y'all, so I have all of them cut out finally. I don't think I'm gonna be using the poster board because they're a lot bigger than what I expected, and there's a lot more of them than I expected. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and start putting these on the wall. We're back with everything all cut out as you guys saw from the previous clip, and I went ahead and put a couple on the wall just because I needed to kind of get the feel of it before I show you all how I do this. So what I'm doing is I just went ahead, I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I just pulled up the LV pattern so that way I can look at it. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting these on the wall, following this pattern that I pulled up on my phone. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I transform this boring old wall into what it's going to be. So yeah. Wow. So, sorry to keep like interrupting the whole feng shui, the whole vibe of the video, but my card just got full, so I'm coming to you guys to show you what happened because I didn't realize it, obviously. So we missed a little bit, but you guys really didn't miss out on anything because I showed you guys what I was doing. It's very simple, but this is the progress we've made so far on the wall. I'm not quite finished. I'm actually kind of glad we're doing this in between clip because this is vlog style. So I'm actually gonna go back to Walmart to hopefully get another roll of that Cricut paper so that way I can make more shapes because I ran out of. Hopefully by the time I come back, my computer and my camera will be finished updating so that way I can move all the clips and get this time lapse back going, okay? Because we are not trying to stop. We are trying to get this done. Truthfully, I'm trying to get it done tonight, but it's probably gonna be tomorrow. So y'all, so it is now like midnight and I'm just now, well, I'm not just now finishing, but I moved everything out of here and I put it back. So yeah, we are finished. I didn't get to finish the time lapse like I wanted to because it just took too long for everything to update and for me to move my clips. But like I said, you guys didn't miss out on anything really. Let me turn this fan off because you probably can't even hear me. Sorry about that, turn the fan off. But yeah, like I said, you guys did not miss anything. I just followed that, the LV pattern. I just pulled it up on my phone like I said. So I'm gonna show you guys the final reveal. Now like I said, my room isn't finished. Also, excuse the color, I put an LED bulb in my fixture because you'll see. Alright guys, so this is the finished look, and like I said, I am absolutely in love.